Hi there, I'm Aina, a learning designer here at Planet. In this video, I'm going to guide you through our medical training template that is completely free to use. The template uses a blended learning style which mixes online self-study materials and an online seminar day. The medical field often makes use of seminars for networking, knowledge sharing, and collective learning. By including self-study materials already before the seminar, makes the time spent together even more effective as it ensures that learners already understand the basics of the topic and more complex aspects can then be discussed. In Planet, we divide our learning materials into modules for clearer course structure. A good rule of thumb is to always have just one theme per module. So let's start with the hidden module. Here we provide some guidelines for facilitators on how to use this template, what your course syllabus should include, what the jigsaw activity is and how to organize it, and finally, we provide a short checklist for your online course. The modules visible for learners begins with an introduction to the topic and asks learners to introduce themselves in the course chat. This is an awesome way to encourage social learning later on in the course. After this, the self-study materials are divided into modules, theory and medical device training. These are just two examples of the different themes you may wish to incorporate into your course. In Planet, we follow a process called pedagogical scripting. It's a great way to organize your online learning materials. It begins with an activation task that sparks the learner's interests. We then move on to focusing, where we introduce the main points that we will be covering in the deepening section here. After studying the material, knowledge is applied with a learning activity. And finally, learning is evaluated by the facilitator. For the seminar day, learners are provided with instructions for a learning journal that is to be kept during the seminar schedule and speaker profiles, the link to the online seminar, and finally, an embedded whiteboard for a group discussion during the seminar. Lastly, some concluding remarks are made with a summary, slides from the seminar, submission of the learning journal, and lastly, the feedback questionnaire. We do hope this video gave you some insights and ideas on how you could organize a blended learning style course in Planet. If you want to know more, please do not hesitate to reach out to us.